Hey everybody, welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you create new folder icon and change that icon as your choice. So let's get started. So suppose I am creating one new folder. So this is my folder and I want to change this icon. So we'll go on properties and then after we will go on customize, and then we can see here change icon. After that we can change which we like. There are many icons, so which you like you can choose and just so if I choose this, then click this, okay, and then apply, and here you can see for the icon is changed. So in this way you can change any folder icons. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and subscribe this channel. Thank you.